Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome to another day of Planmas. Today we are doing my January kit lineup. I'm so excited. It's actually like the start of December basically and I've got my lineup done. So I'm really excited for the start of my next planner. So we are starting with the 1st through the 7th. We love a month, we love a year that starts on a Monday. And you know it's a leap year, of course. So we are starting the year with a New Year's set because it has New Year's Day. I think why not? Why not use a New Year's Eve kit? I'm using Midnight that I drew last year, which I never got to use. So I'm excited to use it this year. It does have the 2023, but there is a freebie that has 2024 in it. So if I want to use this box and put in the date, I can. Nothing else will say 2023 in it. So I'm super excited. This is the Midnight set. If you haven't seen it since the start of the year, I'm using it from the SBC version with all the girls. And I just think it's so fun and it's all like, yes, I'm sleeping and treats and donuts and just hanging out at home, board games. That's my kind of New Year's anyway. So I'm excited to use this because I didn't get to use it in the last year. I'm going to be pairing with it this mixed metal shimmer bundle from SBC in matte gold and rose. I just think it's perfect. I think it goes with both like the sort of the tan and the pink colors throughout. But it's a bit more subdued because they're both matte foils, so I think that'll look great. And I do plan to pick up probably a quote in matte gold from Plan With Me stickers. I still have to order that, but or maybe I don't. I don't know. I feel like I'm always like running out of time to get those extras, so I kind of just stick with what I have already, but we will see. But that is the first week of January, really bringing in the new year. Then we have the 8th to the 14th, and I'm using from SBC Winter Warmth. Let me open it up. And this is Darcy's Winter Art. So pretty. I thought it was a really good extension of sort of the holiday season feel. It sort of like has Yule vibes. So I feel like you could have used this for Christmas as well, but I'm going to use this for the start of winter. But I feel like this is a good transition from like holiday to winter. And we have a lot of, I really love this green. We have purples and pinks. And I really love this sort of snow scene there. I really couldn't figure out what I wanted to use. I know Andre is using Lavender Hollow and Gold Hollow mixed metal. But I don't know. So at the moment, I have it paired with the Star Bundle. This is old Star Bundle. And the foil is gold with stars inside, like shimmery stars. And I thought this was so good because I feel like the colors lean itself to gold. And I wanted to make more of like a star kind of version. So you have stars here on this cake. And I feel like the stars within stars is a really pretty sparkle. So that's what I'm using. And I hope it works out and it's not too dark. I'm not sure, but that is so far my plan for Winter Warmth. Then for the 15th to the 21st of January, I'm using from SBC City Chill. This was my my like Helsinki, Finland inspired art from like 2019, I think. Early 2019, so I think I drew at the end of 2018 when I moved to Finland. So that was my sort of view with that. I will say all these winter kits you're going to see in the haul coming up on the last day of Planmas. So I apologize for that, but I'll talk more about these kits in that haul. Like more in depth of my thoughts. But yeah, so this is very old art, but I think it still looks good. But I'm going to use it for winter this year because I am in Helsinki. And I'm pairing it with silver. So I'm going to pair it with this snowflake bundle from SBC in silver. Really pretty. It even has snow bougie boxes, which I am going to use. So this is my first like fun delay, I guess, of the year. And we'll see how we go if I do any more. I'm still not really into it, but we'll see. So I really love that. But here's the bottom washi, and I didn't really want to use that whole snowflake pattern. So, and I did have these extras from Planet Choco and also, yeah, both Planet Choco. So I wanted to use these. This is the winter scene washi, and I'm going to use the town version. I did this last year, well, this year, 2023, I did it in winter as well. I used the town scene, but I used it in gold on a winter set. So that'll be fun. I love me a winter city kind of set. And then I'm just using these winter quote boxes. I'm not sure which one. I think I'm going to use Winter Babe and like put it over one of these girls. Because I think that's kind of the mood, the Winter Babe. Or maybe Winter Vibes. But yeah, so that's what I'm using for this week of January. January and February are like the coldest months and the snowiest and iciest here in Helsinki. So these are all perfect. Then we have one for the 22nd to the 28th of January. And this is SBC Nordic Nights, which is art by Sadie Piper. Just sort of like the Aurora Borealis and everything. I'm not going up north to do all that because there are ice igloos up north here. But I don't think I'm going traveling in winter, but it's kind of expensive and touristy, you know what I mean? But so pretty, and I love the different colors, the greens in this version. I am pairing it with a mix of a fun foil and holo. So the fun foil is, I think it's called Ice or a light blue on SPC. It's a light blue bundle. And this is just Confetti 2. Yeah, Confetti 2.0, I think. Yes, because it has the new scripts. I don't know what I'm thinking. So yeah, I'm doing this blue, and I think this works really well, especially with like the blues in here. And I feel like it'll overall give it an icy feel, but then I'm going to pair some extra special things in holo because I have some things that I want to use. So I have these Sadie stickers, Snowflake, and I thought these would be so perfect over the the double box scene because it's outside, and then you have like the holographic snowflakes. And then I have that same bottom washi from Planet Choco Winter Scene in holo, and I'm going to use the not city one, but the snowy trees. And then I have some holo snowflakes from Sadie stickers, as well as some snowflakey date numbers from her. I have some snowflake glitter header overlays from SPC. And then I have the same quote box from Planet Choco, and I'll probably use Baby It's Cold Outside or Let It Snow for this one. But yeah, I kind of like the idea of like, I feel like the holo and the blue will go together, and it kind of brings out the blues in the holo. Anyway, it'll add an extra dimension to it, but I feel like using the blue foil as like the bougie and everything, it'll give the space of the iciness to it. And then finally, I will include this last one. It's the 29th to the 4th of Feb. Yeah. I want to show you this kit because it is part of my winter thing, and then it's my winter to Valentine's transition. So this is from Crest Press, and this is Bazoo's de Hiva, which is my Winter Kisses Paris art. And we do have a couple box in here. I did pick up the doodles and couple box from the SPC because I really love how she did the people, and also I can't live without her doodles that match most of the time. So this has a couple box in it, and it's Paris, so I thought this would be like a perfect, most of us where we live, it's winter in February, so I think this is a perfect like mix of having both. Something like romantic and Valentine's-y, but still being in winter as well. So I thought this would be the perfect week to use it because it straddles both of the months. And you got that blue of winter, and then the little bit of pink from Valentine's. Because I've been going into like a lot of pink. Don't mind my underneath ones. I haven't perfectly planned out my February yet. There's still a lot of kits to come out, I think. But I'm going to pair this with a mix of a gold luxe bundle from SBC. Because I feel like you got to have some luxe in here. I mean, it's a Paris set with fashion and boxes. So I'm going to do the luxe. But I don't want too much of it. Just like a main base. And then I'm going to use these snowflake glitter headers again from SBC. We have some snowflake deco again from Sadie Stickers and date numbers, which do work, don't they? 29 through to the 4th. So yes, I have the right number of numbers in there. I'm going to use, okay, so I've got Let It Snow from Planet Choco, which means in the other one I want to use Baby It's Cold Outside, and this one I'll use Let It Snow. And then I'm going to use the luxe main one here, but I don't want to use the confetti, so I'm going to use this Sadie Stickers Snow Flurries Thin Washi. So it's just some little snowflakes here, just to make it both snowflakey and fashiony. I think that would be really pretty, and yeah, going into Valentine's, into Feb. But that is everything I'm doing for January. I just can't keep up with getting extra foil and using a lot of like custom fun foils. It just doesn't work out time-wise for me. I basically have to order them when I buy the kit, and it's hard to pick foils when you don't have the kit on hand in person, to be honest. And I've screwed up already during December, like Christmas sets, so I just want to play it safe for a little bit. Yeah, and just use what I have and also keep collecting like things as they come out. But and also like maybe using less fun foils overall, or at least pairing them with a core foil so that I can use the ones I already have, because I have a lot of, when I buy foil things, I buy them in gold, silver, hollow kind of thing. So I might do some more of that and collect up a few more like little quote boxes and extra things just in the core foils, and then try and see if I can pair them with fun foils again in the future. Like the Nordic Nights set, because yeah, it's just it's too much work and I don't have enough time. Like if I lived in the States, it'd be very different, I think, where the shops are. But because it takes extra long time for me to get stuff in the mail, I just have to be a bit more practical. But so honestly, I love my like January lineup. She's so pretty and wintry, and I'm looking forward to that in my new planner. But that is my January lineup. Let me know if we are twinning at all. Are you bringing any of these in? I feel like a lot of these, like they're all new except Midnight, and the like reformat of City Chill is technically new, but it's old. But let me know if you're using any of these. Are we twinning? Are you using anything else? I hope your January goes well and you enjoy the rest of what's left of Plaidmas. I think this video is like near the end, so so I hope you enjoy the rest of it. I hope you've been enjoying the month as well. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.